Okay, that's better. I messed up my last video, and basically I'm making a roux out of garbanzo flour. And this is my garbanzo flour. I used about a quarter of a cup. That looks like about, maybe it's a half a cup. So this is what it looks like, your garbanzo flour. And I added plenty of extra virgin olive oil. And you want to cook this, let me lower this a little bit. And you want to cook this to a medium to a dark color. I'm going to put some music on. Yeah. So we're going to put some happy music on because we need a little bit of happiness. And yes, I enjoy cooking very much. But I also enjoy a nice clean way of cooking. And this is a nice clean way of cooking. Make sure your hands are washed all the time. Make sure. And then this is your sanitation bucket over here. Make sure you have that. Okay? So you can see that, right? My sanitation. Nice clean towel. I know it's ugly and old, but it's pretty much clean. So you see how that's starting to take color? Nice. And it smells so good. So basically you have your heated cast iron skillet. You add your extra virgin olive oil, and then you do a garbanzo flour. Okay? Alrighty. Yum. Alrighty. So make sure that is completely clean. And you see, I have my rice. My rice is ready, my brown rice. Nice fluffy brown rice. Very good. So ladies, if you're cooking for your man, yep, this is the way to go. So I want that nice and browned. So I'm gonna, and it takes a while, so be patient. Okay, that's good music. See how that's... So I want to get the color, and that's the color of your gumbo, is whatever color you are doing. And I am going to add a little bit of ketchup to my gumbo, if I can find it. So, yeah, I usually put a couple tablespoons of ketchup. It's got sweeteners in it. It's got like, well, this one has tomato puree, organic sugar, white vinegar, and it kind of gives it a nice flavor. So I'm going to put that there. Okay, these commercials get me. Oh, that's okay. You just kind of stir it in, because that's a dark roux. You want to do a nice dark roux. And use this. For some reason, yeah, that's much better. I think that's good. Yeah. And you want to get the sides. So what I usually do, I wish you could see my crazy cat. I have a cat. And she's bonkers. Oh my gosh. She makes me laugh. She doesn't know what she is. So, okay, do you see that? It's got like a nice medium color. I think that's how I want to keep it. So I'm going to go ahead and add in my carrots, because my carrots take a while to tenderize. So add the carrots in. Okay. And you add your vegetables in. So I'm going to add those carrots. Now I'm going to add my onions. It's really easy to make this gumbo, vegan or vegetarian gumbo. Okay, and I'm going to add my celery. Adds a few stalks. And you know, gumbo is all about flavor, however flavorful you want to make it. I'll go ahead and add just a little bit more oil. And seeing that this is a vegetable, I'm going to call it in the summer gumbo. You want to make sure that those tenderize. Oh boy. So in this clip I'm going to show you how to make the roux. And you just want to cook it until it's tender. Nice. I'm going to add a little bit of salt. And this is really easy. Just add a little bit of salt to that. Alrighty. You know, I took a nibble of that, and I absolutely love it. I mean, just the vegetables and the garbanzo. Really good. So I'm going to go ahead and add my bell peppers to that. And basically, you want to cook this until it's nice and tender. Okay? So I'm going to turn this one off so it can easily upload. Okay. In the meantime, I'm going to cut these up. Okay. Nice flavor. Not too salty. Just enough salt. You don't want a lot of salt. And there's plenty of that garbanzo flour in there. So I'm going to let this cook until it's tender. Oops. Alright. That's what it looks like. So, there's going to be another short clip on my next one. So I'll show you how the rest of the gumbo goes. Okay?